The Stateville Penitentiary Malaria Study remains one of the most controversial human experiments in U.S. history. Conducted in the 1940s at Stateville Penitentiary in Illinois, the study was a collaboration between the U.S. government, the military, and the University of Chicago. It aimed to find treatments for malaria, a disease crippling American soldiers in the Pacific during World War II. John Red Harris had been in Stateville for nearly a decade. When the prison warden announced volunteers were needed for a medical study, rumors spread fast. Some said the government was looking for men willing to be infected with malaria. In return, time off their sentences, better food, and maybe even redemption. Red signed up. A week later, he was in the prison hospital. A glass container holding malaria-infected mosquitoes was strapped to his arm. Days passed, and the fever hit hard. Red shivered uncontrollably, his skin burning. Around him, other prisoners moaned in their cots. Some were given experimental drugs, others received nothing. By 1945, the study had ended. Many carried lifelong health issues from the experiment. Years later, Red wondered, was what happened in Stateville really so different from Nazi experiments? The world would debate the ethics of the study for years. Some called the prisoners heroes, others victims. But to Red, the truth was simple. He had gambled his body for a chance at freedom. And like most bets in prison, the house always won.